Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off Realme smartphones. I think you have realized it already. If you are long pressing the power button, you have the Google Assistant. But how to shut down the phone? For that we will need also the power button, but you have to just press it longer. First you see the Google Assistant, and then you finally, if you keep going on long pressing the power button, you will see here that bar. You have the opportunity then to restart the phone or to power off it. So just swipe the button here to power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, as you can see, very easy if you know that. And I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It will be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.